Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Maricel William. I am 39 years old. I am Christian. I am widow and have one child. I am high school graduate. I have work experience in Kuwait with 2 employers. My previous employer in Kuwait is from year 2021 to 2023. I take care of 1 healthy grandpa and 1 sick grandma. I do house cleaning, cooking Arabic food and Western food, laundry and ironing of clothes. I share job with 1 Indian helper in taking care of 1 sick grandma. My second employer in Kuwait is from year 2006 to 2009. I take care 6 children. I do house cleaning, cooking Arabic food and Western food. I share job with 2 Filipino workers in ironing of clothes and doing the laundry. Ma'am, sir, I am trustworthy, honest, hardworking, patient, and God-fearing. I hope, ma'am, sir, you will hire me. Thank you.